Hi, my name's Anushree, and today I'm going to talk about how I modified the Foundations code for Homework 1 and what standalone applications I used and how it fits into the structure of the code already. Hey, so starting with our username recognizer file, I pulled this from the username recognizer testbed folder. And in this, it checks and validates the username. And so for my finite state machine, I am checking to see if the first character of the input I give it is alphabetic. And so this modification fit very well into the code already because all I had to do was modify this if condition to only check if the first character of the input falls within the range of capital A to capital Z or the range of lowercase a to lowercase z. And so I have these comments here that explain how having an alphabetic first character leads us to state 1. Okay, and for state 1, it can also be numeric characters as well as when I mentioned in my finite state diagram video for Screencast3. Okay, right, and then moving on here, we have the controller new account file, and this is under the GUI new account package. Okay, and for this, all I had to do was include this check for valid username function, and here I created this string called message. And so for message, if it is an error message here, because in the original code, it just output a string to the console, but now we're using this to create an actual error message that the user can see. And so if it contains an error, then we will output our alert here. Okay, and the alert could be that the first character isn't alphabetic, or that it's less than 4 characters, or greater than 16 characters. Okay, and then over here, I have created an alert in this view new account file, which is in the same GUI new account package. And so for here, I explain that this alert down here is used when an improper input is given. Okay. Right, and this fits the style of the code already because we have other alerts that for the other input fields, like the alert that the invitation code is invalid when we first start up our application and try to create a new account. Okay. Right, thank you.